Welcome to a video tutorial on relative versus absolute cell referencing. So I'm going to start off by showing you how it works. So I'm going to delete all these cells because they've got formulas in them already, and we want to work out revenue. So we've got elbow pads which are £15 each, and we sell 12 elbow pads. So we want to work out how much money we get from the sale of elbow pads. So what we do is we put an equals here, and we do cell C5 multiplied by the number sold, which is D5, press enter. And then if we look at our formula, we've got E5, and that gives us 180, sorry. And then I want to copy my formula down. So I go to the bottom right hand corner, and it turns into a black cross. And this is where, if I left click and drag my formula down, it would have copied the formulas down. So if we see, the first one C5 times D5, the next one is C6 times D6, and so on. So it's the same formula all the way down. Now, slightly different with absolute cell referencing, our VAT rate is 20%. So we need to find 20% of £180 for the first formula. So we do equals 180 multiplied by 20%, which will give us 36. Now if we try to copy this formula down in the same way we did earlier, it doesn't look like it seemed to have worked. Now there's a reason for this. If you look at the first formula, cell E5 times J2, which is correct. The next one down, it moves to J3 and J4. So what we need to do is keep the VAT rate at J2 absolute, or can I say fixed in that position all the time. So to do this, what we do to fix it in that position, we put a $sign in front of the J and a $sign in front of the 2. Press enter. Now if we drag this formula down, it will have worked, and what's happened is that J2 has remained constant all the way through. Now, working out revenue including VAT, what we can do is we can use relative cell referencing here. So what we do is we do equals 180 plus 36, so it's E5 plus F5, and then we drag our formula down, and there you have it. So in a nutshell, relative cell referencing is where both of the cells, or whatever cells in the formula, move according to move. Absolute cell referencing is where one cell or a number of cells do not move, and the way we fix them is by putting $signs in front of the letter and the number. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.